What's going on, my friends? Kyle here, and today I'm going to tell you exactly why you should stop chasing short gains. Now, I know from the thumbnail you probably saw my Robinhood account today where I'm up about 60% in my trade from an option, okay, right? So that's just something that I do just to play around with it, to get familiarized with it. But I'm going to tell you exactly why. It's a horrible thing for me to be doing, and it's probably a terrible thing for you to be doing as well. Now, doing things that you're not completely knowledgeable about and just screwing around, whether it be gambling or whether it be betting on something with its gambling still, or even in the stock market trading options, or just putting money in things that you don't know, it's such a bad strategy because you don't have enough information on it. You don't have enough knowledge on it. Now, if you want to do something like watch 100 plus hours of YouTube videos from somebody like Ricky Gutierrez or somebody like that who has a lot of knowledge on that topic, and you want to do trade simulators, etc., that's one thing. But too many people I see jumping in to try and make money quickly in places that they don't know, that are highly volatile, and that's only okay, in my opinion, if you have a sustainable, like if you have a physical object that has no margin for complete error unless you lit it on fire. Now, what I mean by that is, when you're trading these things, it's online currencies or stuff like that, it's very easy because it's very enticing to get into. It's very exciting, right? Because everyone make a lot of money without any work, and that's this one concept that people don't realize is nearly impossible to do. You know what they all say, high risk, high reward. But what I say when you're first starting out is to mitigate that risk so you don't have to completely go under or get in this level of losing everything, so you can't build back up. So what I mean by that is using some of the ideals that I put in a video of how you can make $1,000 a week by flipping things, using that kind of mentality throughout. Now, you don't have to flip everything that you like, and you don't have to buy everything and not be able to lose money on it. That's a great way to live and to do things. But what I will say is that if you're gonna invest in something tangible, like I just said, and then buy it at a price that you can resell it a little bit higher. Now, I understand that if you might buy something like a used iPhone for a few $100 and you sell it for $400, you only make $100. I understand that's not the craziest return in the world, but at least you have something that doesn't have an ability to completely get lost unless it's stolen or, like I said, burned on fire. The problem with stocks or gambling or anything like that, or betting and trying to win your way up, is that you have this ability to get zero out of it, or to go literally almost negative, because you can automatically withdraw money through apps like Robinhood that you don't even have in your account if you wanted to. It'll pull it out regardless. So with that being said, I just think that you really should focus on, if you're gonna go after a quick term gain or something, or after a gain like that, you should really focus on flipping things and flipping up with something that's tangible, rather than going after these short term things with means to nowhere. It might sound contradictory because I just showed you the Robinhood app that was actually on a Starbucks option, but I lost so much money in doing little stupid things when I know it's not my nature, and it shouldn't be yours either. Do things that are sustainable, and know in your head that, what am I doing right now, right? Am I doing something that I know I have no knowledge in? I have no money invested, really, aside from the money that you're playing around with. I have no skill set invested. You have to think, who are the other players in the game then? You're playing with people who know a lot more than you, so your risk and your ability to lose is much, much higher. You have nothing that you're bringing to the table. You're adding no value whatsoever, so you're literally going to pay for that. And that's just an ideal that I think you should keep in your mind constantly. Keep in mind, am I bringing actual value here, or am I just getting lucky? And if you're just getting lucky, pretty much what that means is that you could very much so lose, and the reason you probably will end up losing in a situation like that is because you're going to get so caught up in that one win you may have got, and you're going to keep wanting to win. And it's all self-control at the end of the day. If everyone could make thousands of dollars trading options or playing poker or whatever it might be, they would be doing it, let me assure you. So before you get into an investment, think, am I providing value here? Am I bringing anything to the table? And if not, think, is this a scam? Is this an easy way to lose my money that I'm investing? Am I getting in over my head? Am I getting excited, and all these things? Because think, when you're starting out, and every dollar counts, and every penny that you're putting towards something counts, you should really focus on keeping your money and moving forward and building it. Because as soon as you get back down to that zero mark, or low in general, it's going to be very hard to build yourself back up. So that being said, guys, thank you so very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Give it a thumbs down if you didn't, honestly, and subscribing would mean the absolute world to me, and I will see you guys in the next video.